Hello everybody and Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Shazaf Masood and today we're back with another informative video. In this video, I'll be talking about what are those standard operating procedures or what are those SOPs or what are those SOPs measures which we need to take into consideration because we know that the government has declared that there is going to be a reopening of schools that is around 15th of September and in this very moment I need to reassure to the parents, to the teachers, to the administration of the schools and colleges that how important it is for the children to take the precautionary measures and make sure that they're tested for COVID-19 before the reopening of the schools. So let's begin with what are those safety precautions that needs to be considered rightly. So first of all, I would begin with the self hygiene. So I would say जब हम बात करते हैं हमारी self hygiene की in this pandemic, it is very important to understand that yes, the new number of cases being reported are comparatively lesser or have declined to such an extent, but I would say that the pandemic is still there. Good number of countries across the globe are facing reinfection of the virus, which is again a huge stress to the economy. Certainly so it is very important to understand that self hygiene comes first. So when I say self hygiene, what do I mean with it? So हमें हमेशा ये इंश्योर करना है that we're wearing a surgical mask and not a cloth mask or any other mask. A surgical mask is good enough. So for students who are coming to school, one must make sure that they're carrying a surgical mask with them, they're carrying a sanitizer with them, they have their own lunch boxes and water bottles, they have their own sanitary napkins. And it is very important to maintain your own self hygiene. So and wherever you are sitting, make sure that you are disinfecting the area. It is also very important. And whenever you are having a conversation with somebody, make sure that you maintain the adequate distance, at least a 1 arm distance, with proper surgical mask that you must be wearing before you begin any conversation with anybody or you are going out in a crowd. First of all, you need to avoid the crowding, but even if you're going out in a crowd, you must make sure that you're wearing mask. Okay, coming back to the school point of view, the schools and the administration staff, you people need to be a lot more alert and oriented with the fact that the reopening of schools also means that there has to have some pick and drop services for the students. And regarding those pick and drop services, it is very important to ensure that the windows remain open if they are traveling in the public transport, which is school transport. So the windows 24/7 must remain open, and of the buses, of the vans, whatsoever it is. And the students must be seated in such a manner that they have an adequate distance, at least 1 arm distance. There is one more thing that I would like to mention it here is that कि आप जब रिसेस होती है, बच्चों का ब्रेक टाइम होता है, तो आप बच्चों को बाहर भेज देते हैं. तो इस वक्त आप वो चीजें ना करें. आप मेक श्योर करें कि अगर कोई बच्चा अपना घर से लंच नहीं ला रहा है तो आप उसको इंडिविजुअली या तो कैफेटेरिया भेज दें, या तो फिर इफ यू आर मेंटेनिंग अ क्यू, सो देन दैट हैज टू बी मेंटेन इन अ प्रॉपर सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग मैनर. तो फिर वो चीज बहुत अकाउंटेबिलिटी से हो रही हो और आप क्राउडिंग को अवॉइड करें. प्लीज गेट योर सेल्फ टेस्टेड. वी डू either the nasal swab or the oropharyngeal swab. Usually we the doctors prefer the nasal swab, but for some reasons in which the nasal swab isn't possible, we prefer an oropharyngeal swab. It is not that painful. Please get yourself tested. Okay, secondly, let's say your test comes out to be negative, but you still are symptomatic, and by that I mean you still have persistent cough, high grade fever, some non-specific findings, example generalized weakness, diarrhea, or flu-like symptoms. Please consider yourself as somebody who's high risk for COVID-19 and get yourself isolated at least. And let's say you come in school and you figure out that you are having some symptoms even after exposure, or let's say otherwise, you need to recognize yourself first. Secondly, please report yourself and tell your academic staff or your teacher, whosoever is there to encounter this. So please consider that there in schools there has to have a proper first aid, there has to have a proper counter check of who is having symptoms and who is not having symptoms. So this needs to be very much in check. And कुछ ये चीजें हैं. इसके अलावा I would say that I understand the concept that when you're coming back to work, and for students when they're coming back to schools after a longer time, it is very important to stay fit even physically and also mentally. तो आप एक प्रॉपर रेगुलर एक्सरसाइज अपनी रूटीन में जरूर रखें. मेक श्योर दैट आप अच्छे से सो रहे हैं, यू आर हैविंग इनफ स्लीप, अच्छा खा पी रहे हैं. बाय दैट आई मीन घर का खाना, एंड प्रॉपर यू आर कंज्यूमिंग गुड अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर एज वेल. तो ये कुछ चीजें हैं जो आपको फॉलो करनी है. इसके अलावा लाइक आई सेड एंड आई वुड लाइक टू रिपीट दैट अगेन, दैट मेक श्योर दैट योर चाइल्ड must have their own lunch boxes, their own water bottles. They understand that no, it is not a normal case scenario of reopening of schools like how they used to come back to school after vacations. It is a pandemic and we still are facing this problem, and just because things are getting back normal doesn't mean that they should be sitting or eating together with their friends and family. It's not the case. तो आपको सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग हर वक्त रखनी है. ये आपके अपने लिए और आपके फैमिली और आपके फ्रेंड्स के लिए भी इम्पोर्टेंट है. प्लीज कीप अ सैनिटाइजर विद यू, एंड इफ पॉसिबल प्लीज frequently and very oftenly wash your hands in a proper way. And I would make sure that I would write down some proper ways, which is the 10-step hand washing phenomena, in the comment box and in the description box, so that it would be very much easier for you. In case of any query or in case of any information required, you can definitely email me or can simply comment below, so that I'll definitely go through it. And last but not the least, I would like to request to all the schools, faculty, administration staff, the teachers and everybody to please ensure that there is proper counter check of COVID-19 symptoms. Whosoever has symptoms, please understand that this is a very serious thing and it needs to be checked and monitored regularly. There has to be a normal regular screening protocol that needs to be carried out very nicely and wisely. And then कुछ लोगों के लिए मैं भी एडवाइस करूंगी, अगर आप अपने सिम्टम्स को खुद चेक करना चाहते हैं, सो देयर इज एन ऐप कॉल सेहत ऐप एज वेल, तो आप उसके थ्रू भी चेक कर सकते हैं. नहीं तो अदरवाइज भी मैं कुछ सिम्टम्स को डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में लिख दूंगी, एंड लाइक आई ऑल्सो हैव मेंशन्ड इन द वीडियो एज वेल. तो अगर इनमें से कोई भी सिम्टम्स आपको आते हैं तो प्लीज कंसिडर योर सेल्फ एज एन हाई रिस्क. तो आप अपने आप को नेक्स्ट 3 to 7 days के अंदर मॉनिटर करें एंड आइसोलेट योर सेल्फ फर्स्ट, सो दैट इट्स द मैटर ऑफ सेफ्टी ऑफ योर friends and family. तो इसके अलावा फॉर स्कूल्स एंड टीचर्स, आप खुद भी अपने आप को मॉनिटर करें. स्क्रीनिंग प्रोटोकॉल इज मैंडेटरी फॉर ईच एंड एवरीबडी. एंड क्लासरूम्स में भी जो है सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग कंसिडर की जाए. मेक श्योर दैट द एडिकेट डिस्टेंस एज पर द प्रोटोकॉल इज बीइंग कंसिडर्ड. इसके अलावा ई लर्निंग का कंसेप्ट आई वुड से कि ज्यादा प्रमोट किया जाए. एंड क्लासरूम्स के साथ साथ आप अपने जो स्कूल्स का जो टाइम पीरियड है उसको भी लिमिटेड करें. ओनली द मैंडेटरी सब्जेक्ट्स shall be given more time, and the rest of the subjects that can also be taken forward by अगर कुछ ऐसे सब्जेक्ट्स हैं जो कि आप ई लर्निंग के थ्रू करवा सकते हैं, या तो आप ये कर सकते हैं कि क्लासेस के टाइम को थोड़ा मिनिमाइज कर दें या डेज को डिवाइड कर दें. तो इनिशियली आई अंडरस्टैंड के बीइंग अ डॉक्टर एंड बीइंग अ हेल्थ केयर वर्कर माई सेल्फ, आई कैन sense that once the things are going to be reopen, initially थोड़ा सा लोड आएगा हेल्थ वर्कर्स के ऊपर भी, और अदरवाइज भी लोगों पे थोड़े से हमें केसेस और री इन्फेक्शन देखने पड़ेंगे, which I pray के ना हो ऐसा, but just to be prepared for anything, so it is very important कि हम भी उस तरह से prepare रहें. But then again, please avoid crowding and maintain all the standard operating procedures that I have mentioned in my video. Thank you for watching, and in case of any query you can simply email and can leave a comment below. So thank you so much, and thank you for all the love and support. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.